Hey guys, welcome to David's Kitchen. We're going to be teaching you how to make a fun, healthy smoothie. Right, so here we go. First ingredient we're going to need is some V8 healthy greens. Low sugar, of course. You're going to open it up. You're going to pour a tablespoon right in there, okay? Right into our big blending mixing cup. Then you're going to add a single ice cube. Just like that. Next, proceed to take your open pit original barbecue sauce and pour it right on in there. This is gonna be fun and delicious. Then, proceed to take out one egg. Only one is needed, for if you have too many eggs, you'll have too many calories. We're gonna plop it right in there. Bam! There you go. Next, proceed to open up your Land of Lakes butter. Take a spoon, scoop out one little scoop of butter, and put it in there. Be sure to close the lid so the butter doesn't get stale. Then, we're gonna take some Archer Farms traditional thick and chunky salsa. We're gonna open it up and add just a little bit of the juice to give it a little tangy flavor. We're gonna close the lid, and this is where it gets really, really crazy. We're gonna open up the chicken, and we're gonna take...
Hey, that's turkey.
Our turkey? Darn. We're gonna take one little piece. We're gonna take two little pieces. We're gonna take three little pieces right in there. Then we're gonna take our butter spoon and mix it around, just like that. And then we're gonna add the rest of the eggs. Just like that. Sorry. Just like that. And now all you have to do is start getting your oven ready. So we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna put it right in. Just like that. And we'll let it sit there for a few days to make sure that it gets all warm. And that's the first part of how you make a smoothie. I'll be back in a few minutes with the rest of the instructions. And it's been a few days. Looks like it should be done. Let's have a look. I thought you fucking put it in here. Oh, here it is, the drink. Close the oven. Ooh, it's a little hot. So here we go. Make sure that you don't get lots of drippage on your counter. And I'm gonna take a sip just to prove how delicious it is. It's good. It's really, really good. I'm gonna have a little more. Delicious and nutritious. Thanks for watching, guys. Your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to click that what is it called? Subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and the little bell notification in the corner so that you'll be notified when we frequently post our YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.